Porsche Cayenne 2024 update brings fresh tech and more power to high-performance SUV. Revealed with minor exterior changes, Porsche has pulled the covers off the updated Cayenne SUV at the Shanghai Motor Show. As is the case with most mild cycle facelifts, the changes are deeper than just aesthetics. With the big Porsche getting new technology inside and each engine option benefiting from a bump in power. Porsche Australia has confirmed that the local release date of this new Cayenne will occur in the third quarter of this year, and local order books are already open. Porsche has completely done away with the Cayenne's part analog instrument cluster, replacing it with a fully digital unit similar to the one found in the Taycan EV. For the first time, Porsche has moved from a partially For the first time, Porsche has moved from a partially analog cluster to a fully digital display in a combustion-powered model. The Cayenne features a curved digital unit measuring 12.6 inches.